Here I am, 206th Street in Bainbridge, checking out the sleeping next Jenny, who takes a well-deserved rest after a long route on the VX30, coming from Co-op City. Next generation CNG Orion bus number 4075. Watching the next Jenny in her sleeping habitat. We must not make too much noise, for even the slightest will wake up this ferocious 30,000-ton beast. And in order for it to remain calm and sleepy, we must sing its trademark lullaby. Soft Jenny, warm Jenny, little ton of steel. Happy Jenny, sleepy Jenny, vroom, vroom, vroom.